What is the application of cable tray product? Mesh cable tray, a reliable and professional solution for organizing, protecting, and ventilating electrical and data cables in a variety of construction and industrial projects. Suitable for commercial buildings, industrial centers, power plants, server rooms, and oil and gas projects. High-quality finished profile, sturdy construction and precise holes for ventilation and easy cable installation. Manufactured by LOTOS Forming's advanced roll forming technology.